How to fix Spotify playlist not loading. So if you're also in this situation, the first thing that you can immediately do is restart the application. So what I mean by that is remove the app of Spotify from the recent app list and then open it up again. By doing this step alone, your issue should be fixed. Now, if this is not the solution for you, what you can also try out is try to clear the app cache in the settings. So just tap and hold the app, head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside, head over to storage and then tap on the clear cache option. Once you complete this step again, open up the app of Spotify and try to see if the issue is fixed. Apart from this, what you can also try out is try to uninstall the app of Spotify from your device and then again re-download it. This ensures that any sort of bugs which may be causing the issue will be now fixed. Lastly, what you can try out is try to restart your phone. So just tap and hold the power button and make sure you restart it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Spotify playlist not working error.